The Raleigh estate gleamed with lies. I'm Maya Reed, 32, a lieutenant back from Fort Bragg. My boots crunched on the gravel path. They stole my future. My parents, Claire and Henry, stood with Lila, my sister, and Ethan, my fiancé. Their laughter stung. Maya's too tough, Lila giggled, wearing Ethan's old jacket. My heart shattered. Claire's hug was cold, staged. Welcome home, Maya, she chirped. Ethan's eyes dodged mine. Betrayal burned deep. Maya whispered, how dare they? My room? A storage closet. But I held a secret. Grandpa's wool hidden files, my truth. They didn't know my plan. The garden glowed, fake as a movie set. Candles flickered, mocking me. Lila sat in my chair, Ethan pulling it out. My place erased. Claire toasted Lila's new role at Ethan's firm. She's perfect, Ethan said, avoiding me. My blood boiled. I'd served 3 tours, earned medals, loved Ethan for years. Now Lila was better suited. I wasn't invisible. I clutched my phone, screenshots saved, texts, emails, proof. Maya thought, they'll pay. My trap was forming. The crowd clapped, oblivious. My justice was brewing. I'd lived for duty. At Fort Bragg I led logistics, my plans flawless. Raleigh was my haven, until now. The Reed estate with its oak line drive felt foreign. Claire always nitpicked my boots. Not in my garden, Maya. Her words echoed. Henry, my dad, was quieter, his silence sharper. Lila, 28, was their darling. She needs stability, Claire would say. I needed it too. Ethan and I planned a life. Marriage, a house. Now Lila wore his ring. My chest tightened. Maya whispered, I'm not done. I joined Apex Consulting with Ethan 5 years ago, freelancing between deployments. My predictive models saved clients millions. Lila? She flunked college, partied. Yet they chose her. Claire pushed Lila into Ethan's life. She's fragile, she'd say. Fragile? Lila schemed. I found Ethan's text. Lila's helping at work. Helping? Stealing. I saved it, my evidence growing. Grandpa Jack, my rock, taught me to document everything. Truth wins, Maya, he'd said. His voice guided me. I kept logs, emails, even Lila's smug voicemails. Claire's betrayal started small. She'd call, praising Lila's growth. She's managing Ethan's calendar. My role stolen. At dinners, Lila sat close to Ethan, her laugh piercing. Henry nodded, complicit. Their lies stacked. I overheard Claire in the study. Maya's too independent. Lila needs this. My rage surged. I wasn't just a soldier. I'd built Apex's success. My models, my data, my nights. Ethan once called me his anchor. Now he drifted. I saved their texts. Maya thought, I'll expose them. Lila's claws sank deeper. She posted photos, her and Ethan, captioned new beginnings. My stomach twisted. I found a receipt in the shed. Wine, dinner, Ethan's card. Lila claimed book club. Lies. Ethan loved Rose. Lila didn't. I kept it, my evidence piling. My friend, Sam Carter, a retired sergeant, met me at a Raleigh diner. They're erasing you, he said, eyes sharp. His words woke me. Save everything, he urged. I nodded, my drive's full. Texts, photos, Lila's posts. My trap was tightening. Grandpa Jack's death hit hard. He left me his pen, his words, fight with truth. I honored him. Claire claimed his will split the estate evenly. I doubted it. Jack loved me, saw my strength. You're my legacy, he'd said. I believed him. Sam hinted at a hidden safe, Jack's old bank vault. Check it, he said. My heart raced. Could it hold my weapon? Claire pushed Lila's needs at family meetings. She deserves happiness, Henry said. What about me? I smiled, hiding my fury. My plan was brewing. Ethan's silence cut deepest. He texted once, we need to talk. Then nothing. At the summit he stood by Lila, his arm brushing hers. My love stolen. I saved his email. Lila's a natural. Natural? She was a thief. Claire's voice rang. Lila fits here. Fit too. I wasn't weak. My medals, my models, my will, Jack's will, were my armor. Maya whispered, they'll see. My fight was coming. Raleigh's night air was sharp. I, Maya Reed, stood in my motel room, heart pounding. They thought I'd break. My parents, Claire and Henry, and my sister Lila stole Ethan, my fiancé. Their betrayal cut deep. My phone glowed with evidence. Texts, receipts, Lila's smug posts. I wasn't erased. Grandpa Jack's words echoed. Truth wins, Maya. His will was my weapon. I clutched a USB drive found in his old safe. A hidden legacy. Maya whispered, they'll pay. My plan was alive, my trap tightening. Their lies would unravel. I met Sam Carter at a Raleigh diner, neon lights buzzing. His eyes were steel. They're burying you, he said, scanning my screenshots. Ethan's text, Lila's my future. Claire's email, Maya's too rigid. My blood surged. Sam leaned in. Jack left something at First Raleigh Bank. My pulse raced. A safe deposit box. I drove there at dawn, key trembling in my hand. The vault was cold, quiet. Inside. Papers, a flash drive, a note. Maya, you're my heir. My heart soared. Maya thought, he saw me. The drive held secrets. Scanned wills 2019, naming me sole heir to the Reed estate. $5 million land Apex Consulting shares. Claire lit. A 2022 letter from Jack. Claire pressured me to split it. Her greed exposed. I found a video. Claire whispering to Henry, Maya won't return. Lila needs this. My rage burned. I backed up everything. Cloud, USB, Sam's laptop. My evidence was ironclad. Maya whispered, I'm not invisible. My trap was set. Lila pushed harder. Her Instagram glowed. Her and Ethan captioned, True Love. My stomach twisted. I found her email to Ethan's boss. I'm perfect for Apex. He stole my role. I saved it, my proof piling. Sam connected me with Dana Klein, a blogger with a knack for leaks. Her grin was sharp. This'll go viral, Dana said, eyeing my files. I sent an anonymous tip. Raleigh family hides fraud. The web buzzed. Maya thought, let it spread. Ethan tried to silence me. He called, voice low. Maya, don't ruin this. His nerve stunned me. I replied, calm. See you at the gala. He flinched. Claire texted, support Lila's happiness. I saved it. Their desperation fueled me, they thought I'd fold. I was steel. My predictive models, my work drove Apex's $4 million. They erased my name. I met Dana at a coffee shop, files open. Post subtly, I said. He nodded, typing fast. Whispers start fires, she said. I dug deeper. Jack's safe held a second drive, voice memos. His rasp filled my room. Maya, Claire wants the estate. Don't trust her. My chest tightened. Another file. Lila's voice, slurred, laughing. Maya's gone. Ethan's mine. Her betrayal was raw. I sent it to Dana encrypted. My plan grew sharper. Sam reviewed the will's metadata. It's legit, he said. Notarized 2019. Jack protected me. I drafted a letter to Apex's board. I'm the true heir. My voice was rising. Claire cornered me at the estate. Don't make waves, Maya, she hissed, eyes cold. Her audacity floored me. I smiled, clutching my phone. Just visiting, Mom. She didn't know. Henry stood by, silent. His cowardice stung. I found a receipt in Ethan's car. Dinner, 2 glasses, Lila's name. More proof. I emailed Greta Holt, a lawyer Sam trusted. Challenge the will, I wrote, attaching scans. Greta replied, we can overturn it. My hope surged. Maya thought, they're done. The gala loomed, Apex's annual event, live-streamed. My stage was set. Dana's blog posted a teaser. Raleigh heir erased? Comments exploded. Who's the fraud? Lila panicked. Her text to Claire, she's digging. I saved it. I rehearsed my speech, voice steady. You stole my future, I practiced. My heart roared. Sam met me, his truck parked outside. You're ready, he said, handing me a burner phone. My allies were strong. Maya whispered, it's time. Claire's lies grew desperate. He called, voice sweet. Join us at the gala, Maya. A trap. I agreed, hiding my fury. They'd see my strength. I found Ethan's email to Lila. You're my anchor now. My anchor. I saved it, my evidence bulletproof. Dana's next post hinted at stolen love. The internet stirred. Raleigh buzzed, whispers spreading. My plan was alive. I checked the drive again. Jack's final memo. Fight for your name, Maya. I would. The night before the gala, I sat in my motel, files spread. My savings, $80,000 from service, gave me courage. Greta emailed. Probate challenge filed. My trap was closing. Sam texted, you'll crush them. Dana posted, truth drops tomorrow. Their faith fueled me. I stared at my medals, my models, my will. They called me irrelevant. I'd prove them wrong. The Apex Gala blazed with deceit. Raleigh's Grand Hall shimmered, packed with suits and livestream cameras. I, Maya Reed, gripped my evidence. Jack's will, Lila's voicemails, Ethan's texts. Their lies would fall. Lila stood radiant, Ethan at her side, Claire toasting her future. My heart thundered. Maya whispered, it ends tonight. I stepped to the mic, voice calm. This is my legacy. The crowd froze. I flashed Jack's 2019 will, naming me heir. Claire hid it. Gasps erupted. Dana's livestream soared. Raleigh heir exposes fraud. My truth roared. I projected Lila's voicemail. Maya's gone. Ethan's mine, she laughed. The room gasped. Claire's face paled. That's edited, she cried. I showed metadata pristine. Their lies crumbled. Ethan's email flashed. Lila's my anchor. My anchor. I faced him, eyes sharp. You betrayed me. He flinched. Sam Carter stood, voice firm. Maya built Apex's success. Greta Holt nodded. The will's notarized. The crowd stirred. Dana's feed hit 1 million views. She humiliated them. Karma struck hard. Claire tried to fight. Maya's unstable, she shouted. Her desperation reeked. I played Jack's memo. Claire wants the estate. Don't trust her. The hall hushed. Henry sat, head bowed. His silence screamed. I revealed Lila's receipt. Wine, dinner, Ethan's card. Book club. I mocked. Laughter rippled. Greta stepped forward. We've filed to overturn the 2022 will. The board gasped. I held up my trust fund key, Apex shares mine. I'm the heir. Their jaws dropped. Maya thought, I'm not erased. Lila lunged, voice shrill. You're jealous. Her mask slipped. I showed her email to Ethan's boss, stealing my role. Jealousy. I said. This is theft. The crowd booed. Ethan grabbed the mic. I didn't mean to hurt you. Too late. I flashed his text. Lila's my future. His face burned. Dana's blog posted live. Family fraud unraveled. Comments flooded. Maya's unstoppable. My victory was viral. Claire clutched Henry, defeated. My trap was perfect. The estate's fate hung. Greta filed an emergency probate challenge. The court froze assets. I met the board, voice steady. Reinstate my shares or Apex falls. They blinked stunned. A lawyer stammered, we'll review. I didn't budge. Sam handed me a new drive, Jack's final gift. Videos, ledgers, Claire's coercion. My evidence was ironclad. I played one. Claire to Henry, split the estate or Maya takes it all. The board froze. Maya whispered, they're done. My legacy was mine. Lila's lies unraveled faster. Her Instagram crashed. Followers called her a fraud. Her empire burned. Dana posted another clip. Lila mocking my medals. Maya's just a soldier, she sneered. The internet roared. Raleigh buzzed. Justice for Maya. My strength shone. Ethan emailed, pleading, I'm sorry, Maya. I deleted it. Claire called, voice cracked. Let's settle quietly. I laughed. Greta drafted terms. Full estate, $5 million, public apology. They signed broken. Maya thought, I own my name. But shadows crept in. A midnight email. Sell Apex shares, $10 million. My spine chilled. No sender, just a Raleigh IP. A new threat loomed. I traced it. Orion Ventures, a rival firm. They wanted my legacy. Sam analyzed the drive, finding a hidden file. Jack's warning. Orion's after Apex. He knew. I built a firewall, Project Sentinel, to track their moves. My code was my shield. Alerts flashed. Orion's servers probed Apex's data. An attack began. I met Dana at dawn, her laptop glowing. Expose Orion, I said. Her eyes sparked. We compiled proof: emails, IPs, Jack's ledgers. My trap expanded. Sam called in Zoe Tate, a cyberforensic expert. Orion's dirty, she confirmed, tracing their hacks. We had them. I sent a report to the SEC FBI TechWire. My name was bold. Maya Reed, Apex's heir, exposes corporate theft. The world listened. Orion's stock plummeted 25%. Their greed choked. The court hearing dawned. Judge Ellis entered, face stern. The air was heavy. Greta stood, voice clear. Maya's the rightful heir. She flashed Jack's will videos, Claire's coercion. The room cracked. Claire's lawyer stammered, misunderstanding. Lies. I played Lila's final clip. We drugged Ethan's wine. Gasps exploded. Ethan sank, head in hands. His betrayal was bare. Judge Ellis froze the 2022 will. Maya Reed inherits all, he ruled. My heart soared. The estate, land, trust, shares, was mine. Raleigh's headlines screamed, "Soldier reclaims legacy." My victory was loud. Dana's documentary, The Stolen Heir, hit 2 million views. I was unstoppable. Claire's apology aired on local news, voice flat. We misjudged Maya. Too late. Lila's socials went dark, her name mud. Karma delivered. Ethan vanished, his firm suspending him. I didn't care. Sam toasted me at a diner. You rewrote their rules. His pride lifted me. Greta smiled, you're Raleigh's star. I moved to a Raleigh loft, my medals framed. My life was mine. My therapist, Dr. Nora Vale, wrote, you reclaimed your voice. I wasn't the outcast. Orion tried again, emailing, $15 million final offer. I blocked them. Project Sentinel caught their next hack, alerting the FBI. My trap held. Headlines roared. Orion faces fraud charges. Their empire fell. I stood by my window, Raleigh's skyline aglow. They called me irrelevant. Maya thought, I proved my worth. A new email blinked. Lead our veteran program, Fort Bragg. My mission grew. I accepted, my voice steady. I wasn't just a soldier. Dana's next post quoted me, truth doesn't scream, it waits. The world heard. Lila texted once, you ruined me. I deleted it. My lectures began online raw. Own your story, I said. Veterans wrote, you gave me strength. My legacy lived. The estate stood quiet, its lies burned away. I was free.